Okay, we're rolling.
All right, this is the typewriter stumble and a full circle. Okay? So, what we did in the last video was half turns. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now what we're going to do is a full circle. So we'll do a half circle for the first part and continue on in a full circle for the second part. Okay, and then you would go the other way for the left foot. So two full circles, right and left.